Welcome to Whyland Kids, your destination for answers and curiosity.
Rainstorms and rainbows. On a rainy morning in the backyard of the boys' home, drops of water gently tapped the ground, setting the scene for Max's new adventure. Max stood quietly behind a large glass window, watching the rain as it fell gently from the sky. After the rain had stopped, Max stepped into the backyard and saw a rainbow shining brightly in the sky. With its vivid colors, Max said,
"What a beautiful sight! Where did these lovely colors come from? Is the rain the reason behind them?" I must ask my friend Marvel. She always has the answers. Marvel, I just went out to the garden after a rainy storm and I saw a rainbow in the sky full of colors.
Yes, Max, that's called a rainbow. It appears after rainy storms.
Then tell me, where did all this rain come from? And how were these colors formed?
This is quite a big journey. To understand how a rainbow is formed, we first need to know how clouds are made and why the rain falls.
Yes, I'm ready. And I think all our friends are too.
All right, friends, let's begin a brand new adventure. Up into the sky, where the clouds are waiting for us. First, we need to understand how rain is formed. First, clouds start to form from water vapor rising from any source of water, whether it's fresh water or water from seas and oceans, especially when the temperature is high. Second, this water vapor rises up through the atmosphere, and the higher it goes, the cooler it becomes. Third, as the temperature drops, these tiny droplets condense and join together to form the clouds we see in the sky.
This is amazing. So after these clouds are formed, what happens next?
When the clouds become thick and the water droplets inside them grow bigger, they start to fall to the ground as rain. If the weather is mild, like in summer, the rain falls to the ground and it has many benefits. If the ground is very cold, this rain turns into the white snow we see in winter. The water that falls on the ground flows into rivers and lakes, becoming our fresh water supply. Rainwater helps plants grow and provides drinking water in places far away from other water sources. Much of the rain that falls eventually flows back into lakes and oceans, where it evaporates again to form new clouds. The process of rain falling also depends on factors like humidity and air currents.
Wow, all this comes from rain. I had no idea it was so complex and important. So, how is a rainbow formed?
A rainbow is formed when sunlight is refracted and split through raindrops in the sky. It appears with beautiful colors: red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, blue, and purple. A rainbow usually appears after the rain has fallen. At the end of our journey, we learn that rain is one of the amazing and important natural phenomena in our lives. 1. It is a source of water for humans, plants, and animals. 2. In some places where there are no other water sources, rain is the only supply of water and essential for growing crops.
Hey there, look, it's the big red subscribe button. Let's tap it together. Yay! Now hit the bell too. Ding ding! You're all set.